Hello again. This video is about the third evaluation criteria, which is lexical resource. Again, important one. You know that 25% of the score comes from each four criteria of evaluation. So each one is equally important. Lexical resource simply mean the kind of vocabulary or expression that you're using while writing. So the band descriptor says here use a sufficient range of vocabulary to allow some flexibility and precision. You see, sufficient, and you need to understand that sufficient range of vocabulary to allow some flexibility and precision. To simplify, show a wide or flexible range of vocabulary. What does that mean? Use synonym, paraphrasing, word formation, changing word order, etc. So basically these four. So let me show you briefly what exactly it can mean for you, right? So the first is synonym. You have to use synonym. So if the question said shows, you can write illustrates. You can write even give information about. There are many which will be discussed later on in this chapter in details. Next is paraphrasing. Paraphrasing means writing the same sentence, same idea or same sentence by changing the words, the word formation, the collocation. For example, you can see if the question says the graph shows the number of students who went abroad for higher study, the same can be written like the bar graph illustrates how many students choose foreign countries for higher study. So that's not a paraphrasing, important one. Then the word formation. Instead of saying to live abroad, we can say for living abroad. So the live has been changed to living, or it rose by can be written like there was a rise of. So rose into rise. So that is something that you can change. And the words order. So you can just give an example. It's very simple to understand. Only 4% students passed for the next 3 years. Instead of that, we can write for the next 3 years means I have brought this part first. That's changing word order. Only 4% of students pass, so I brought this one here, right? So these are the tools that can be used to demonstrate your lexical resource quality to get better marks. The other thing, use less common lexical items with some awareness for style and collocation. So I hope you know the meaning of collocation. Combination of two words that should not be incorrect. For example, he made a mistake. So made a mistake is the correct or collocation. We cannot say he did a mistake. So that's the collocation part. You need to know that you need to use. And two common vocabulary like good, bad, think, thing should be avoided. Then it says that may produce occasional errors in word choice, spelling words, and formation. So you should try your best to be accurate in this part. But if there are some problems like spelling, 1, 2, or 3, up to 7 band skill, perhaps you can do it. Still, you can manage to get, but you should not rely on mistakes. You should rely on accuracy, actually. Okay, so that's all from this video. See you very soon in the next video. Bye for now.